Hi, I'm astronomer Dean Regas here with the Franklin-Springboro Public Library and their brand new telescope loan program where you can check out a telescope just like a book. And so we've got the example right here. And I just wanted to run through some of the basics on using the telescope. So this is it. It's called the Orion Star Blast 4.5. It moves left, right, up, and down. And just to get it all set up, it's very easy to use. You take the big cover off, you take the little cover off, and we'll be able to see that the light comes in through here, all the way through the tube, bounces off the mirror there, comes out the side, and this is where you look. And so in your little pouch here is, you'll have two different eyepieces that will magnify different amounts. So if we open this up, we'll be able to see the two eyepieces. One comes in there, one in there. And so this is the eyepiece you want to start with. This one has a 20 millimeter on it, so that's the one you want to start with. This is the lower power eyepiece and makes it easier to find things. That just goes right on in here, and you can tighten it up with the 3 set screws. And let's say I want to aim at a star. All I have to do is kind of get behind the telescope, aim it up in that direction. You can put your head next to it and kind of line of sight up there. Then on the side of the telescope is what's called the finder scope, and that has a little knob that turns it on. Hear the click, and that'll project a little red dot into there, and so you can aim the red dot at the object you want. So get behind there, look through there, see the red dot, aim it up, adjust it, point it at the center of that star, and then, fingers crossed, everything will be right in the center of your eyepiece, and you look right here. Ah, that's a star, definitely, I see it. Yeah, anyway, now if you want to adjust it, it has a focuser on it, so you can focus it. This is how you do it, up and down. And the big thing is you want to make your image as small and focused as possible. So really tiny, and so stars shouldn't be big and blurry. They should be small and pinpoints. And you'll be able to see the moon, craters of the moon up close, planets, stars, and star clusters. That's the main things you'll be able to see. But this is the lower power eyepiece. If you want to increase the magnification, you get your other eyepiece out. That's the one that has 10 millimeters on it. And you switch places. You take this one out. Careful not to move the telescope while you do this. Put the other eyepiece in, tighten up, and now it'll double the magnification. So it'll be a lot closer and a little bit bigger. That's the eyepiece you want to use for the planets, definitely. The other eyepiece is really good for the moon and stars and star clusters. But then this one definitely for the planets. And so that's pretty much it. You just kind of push the telescope left, right, up, and down, and you'll be able to hopefully find a lot of things.